Hi my friends, now I'm in Vodafone showroom. So I'm going to have Samsung Note 10 Plus 5G. So it's a nice phone. So after 12 years, I'm going to move to Android. So I have so many iPhones in my life. I had enough with iPhones. Now going to move to Samsung. Let's see how it works. Keep watching that. Oh, thank you. It's a nice phone.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Because I'm attracted by its pen. The pen is really sophisticated technologies. And so nowadays I saw iPhone doesn't have the 5G yet.
No, not yet.
Not yet. I would say Samsung does a lot of hard work
It does
to
indeed.
bring back, Apple's people towards the Samsung, isn't it?
Yeah, indeed.
Phone is opening now. I'm expecting it must be a lot faster than my iPhone 7 Plus.
Let's hope.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's just few seconds to open here. So then I can use whole screen now, yeah? Is there no space left? Because the previous phone has half of bit gone for the cameras and other things.
It's true. Pictures on this phone is beautiful.
Yeah, that could help me to record my videos.
Yeah,
and,
your
and,
videos. You
for
do very good
vlogging.
videos.
For vlogging, yeah. Phone coming with a beautiful pen. So let me see the pen. It's a beautiful pen. And a small button in there, isn't it? It's a small button in there, isn't it? So I just click on it to taking pictures.
Yes.
So how can I take pictures? So I press on this,
Hold
yeah?
on. There you go. And then you just press the button.
So then I press the button.
Just press the button and it takes it.
So just press the button and it's gonna capture the pictures.
There you go. It's taking a picture already. And again. So it's taken it already. Look. See? It's taking pictures already, see?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, that's a beautiful pen as well. Thank you, man. Thanks very much.